All right, what's up everyone? Today I have a rejuvenating watermelon and feta salad, and it is super yummy. It's about to be summer here, so this is a great summertime recipe. I'm gonna show you guys the ingredients that I have all laid out here. So we have mixed greens in here. If you wanted to use some arugula, some just mixed green or just spinach, you can kind of play with the lettuce here, but we have about 2 cups, 1.5 cups roughly. And then we have some mint leaves. So we have a 1/4 cup of mint leaves. There's a lot of mint in here. If you wanna go a little lighter on the mint, that's okay. We're gonna do about 2 cups, 1 to 2 cups of watermelon. And then we have a 1/4 of an onion. So not a 1/4 cup, a 1/4 of the actual onion. And then that is sliced here in these nice little skinny slices like a French fry. And then we have 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of balsamic, and then 2 tablespoons of feta cheese. So I'm going to, before I start making this, I had to tell you guys, feta cheese is super good has high levels of calcium. So great for your bones, great for your bones. So we're going to take the greens here and we're gonna sprinkle them on the plate. I'm using a plate just so that I can spread out the ingredients, and this is a little bit bigger of a salad, so rather than in the small bowl, I'm going to put it on a plate, also just easier for you guys to see. So sprinkle your greens here. Remember, if you wanna add arugula or some more spinach instead of mixed greens, you can do so. So we'll make our base here with the beautiful greens. And then I'm going to pick off some of the mint leaves off of the stem. So when you buy mint from the store, unless you have a mint plant at home in your beautiful garden, we don't have that, we just have a grocery store. So we are gonna pull the mint off of these little leaves, and make sure to wash the mint for any bugs or dirt or whatever Mother Nature might have on those mint leaves. So when you have the mint leaves, I like to bunch them up just so they're easier to cut. And then as you chop them, you can just chop them finely into little slivers. And it's easier to cut when they're all bunched up like that. And that way you can sprinkle them like confetti all over your salad. So we'll take the mint and we will sprinkle that mint all over our greens, add some more greens. And then I did already cut up the onion here. So if you like it more finely, if you like to dice your onion instead of having it in little slices, feel free to do so. I like the longer pieces of onion, so I'm going to leave them full here and sprinkle those across the salad. And then I did not cut up all this watermelon, so you guys get to cut up the watermelon with me into about 3/4 inch cubes. So some of these pieces are bigger than others, but we're gonna cut them into little squares. And then you can leave them if you like squares. If you want circles, you can make whatever shape you want. It's like your sandwich, right? Some people like rectangles, some people like triangles. Just depends what you like. So we'll sprinkle our watermelon on the salad, gives it that nice bright red. And watermelon, I'm losing pieces of watermelon here. Watermelon helps reduce inflammation and is great for heart health and reducing oxidative stress. So we're gonna pile on a little bit more watermelon here. So I like a lot of watermelon, so it's nice and bright and pink. And then from there, we are going to mix, I know oil and vinegar don't mix, but we're going to attempt to mix them together. So I have 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I have 1 tablespoon of balsamic. I'm gonna add the balsamic vinegar to the olive oil just to make our dressing here. This is a nice, easy dressing, super natural. You don't have to worry about buying one of those dressings from the store that has all these icky ingredients that we don't really want. So we'll take our feta, remember about 2 tablespoons, not too much feta, but has high protein and remember, good calcium, good for our bones. So add our feta to the top, get down to the last drop, and then put our little mixture on top as our dressing. So the olive oil is coming out first, and then the vinegar is coming out second because they did not mix. So just make sure you're going over the same areas that you did with olive oil as you do with the vinegar as it's pouring out. So voila, you have our beautiful rejuvenating watermelon salad. This is delicious. It's super healthy. There's a ton of nutrients packed into here. It is a beautiful finished product and it's amazing for you. So make sure that you try this recipe. If you don't want to try this recipe, make sure you try out our other recipes because we have frittatas, we have desserts, we have cookies, we have it all. So make sure you check out those other recipes and we'll see you guys next time.